Let's dive right into our comparison of Wix and SiteGround, two popular website building platforms. We'll start with features. Wix is known for its drag-and-drop website builder, which is user-friendly and requires no coding skills. It also offers a wide range of templates and customization options. On the other hand, SiteGround shines in its web hosting services, offering features like daily backups, free SSL, and email hosting. It also supports WordPress, making it an excellent choice for WordPress users. Next, let's talk about pricing. Wix offers a free plan, but its premium plans range from $14 to $39 per month, depending on the services you need. SiteGround, however, doesn't offer a free plan. Its hosting plans range from $6.99 to $14.99 per month. Keep in mind that these prices are introductory and increase upon renewal. Both platforms offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try them out risk-free. Moving on to user experience. Wix's drag-and-drop interface is intuitive, making it easy for beginners to build a professional-looking website. SiteGround, on the other hand, is not a website builder, but a hosting provider. It integrates with WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal, among others. Although it requires a bit more technical knowledge, it offers a seamless experience for those familiar with these platforms. Now let's compare integrations. Wix has an app market with over 250 apps that you can add to your site. It also integrates with many third-party services. SiteGround, on the other hand, excels with its compatibility with CMS platforms like WordPress. It also supports many popular web technologies like PHP, Ruby, and Python, making it a versatile choice for developers. Performance is crucial for any website. Wix uses a content delivery network, CDN, to ensure your website loads quickly around the world. SiteGround also uses a CDN in addition to its own caching tool, SuperCacher, for improved performance. Furthermore, SiteGround has data centers in 4 locations across the globe, ensuring optimal site speed. Security is another key aspect. Wix provides free SSL security, secure hosting, and automatic updates to keep your site safe. SiteGround also offers free SSL, daily backups, and a unique AI anti-bot system that blocks malicious traffic. Both platforms take security seriously, so your website will be safe with either option. Support is important when you encounter issues. Wix offers 24/7 customer support via email and phone, but no live chat. SiteGround, however, offers 24/7 support via live chat, phone, and a ticketing system. It's known for its fast response times and knowledgeable support staff. So, who's the winner? It's not a clean sweep, but SiteGround takes the lead mainly due to its superior support, performance, and compatibility with CMS platforms. If you're a beginner or want a straightforward website builder, Wix might be a better choice. But if you're more technically inclined, SiteGround's advanced features and integrations might be more appealing. Remember, your decision should align with your specific needs. Thanks for watching our comparison of Wix and SiteGround. We hope this video helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparison videos. Until next time, happy website building.